want multiple. I hear a video going.
Why you have two cameras going?
Because we're incredible. We are doing
What's up, guys?
a video. What's up?
It's hot.
It is. It went.
You know, I can only make it so one shows up at a time.
That's fine, but you can edit from each one.
Okay.
So it went.
All right.
It went from. Actually, I looked up something on that. Okay. So it went from really cold out to hot, and that actually the temperature went down, which you can't really look at. So, hold on here.
So if anybody remembers, you're not looking at me. There we go. Hi.
There we go. Hey, what's up?
So if anybody remembers my old truck, probably not, because I had the new truck when we started this channel. I had a Dodge Ram, 1500, had a Hemi. It was a nice truck. Starting to have issues with it. It was a 2015. But one of the things that was nice is I had a truck box, toolbox in it. And I could keep all my camping stuff in there. My extension cords, if I brought jacks, if I brought tools, I brought, look at this guy.
Professional.
Professional. Now let's see if I can get it back up here without dropping it.
Boom.
Ooh, it's not looking good. We'll find out. So anyways, so I got this new truck. And this truck is not a work truck.
A 1994 square body Silverado.
Yeah, no. This is a 2020 Chevy Silverado RST. Sharp truck, very sharp truck. Already got blacked out windows on it. So I don't want a toolbox. You know, not that it'll ugly up my truck, but it would ugly up my truck. Let's see if I can put you back up here. This ain't looking good. Nate, you're supposed to be helping me here.
Hold on. I'm gonna in a second here. Since we're doing an unboxing, you guys ever watch Force and Fire?
So, I have an idea. So, I ain't using that.
My first homemade knife. You can tell it's homemade by the way it looks. It's gonna slice this like butter.
Anyways, so this is actually a toolbox that goes over the wheel well inside the bed of the truck.
Oh, you didn't tell me that. Excuse
It's
you.
the same thing you have on your truck. Nate has them on his truck.
Yeah, I do.
That's fine.
Okay, there we go.
All right, ready?
Here we go.
Move the box.
Box moved.
Box moved. Pew, pew, pew.
Dirt track dual sound effects. That was super. That was fast.
I don't know how to do this.
It's actually a cool looking box. It's probably for, let me see the other side again.
I don't know how to
Spin
open
around.
it.
Spin around. Well, so these work, yep,
Oh, yeah,
just
there we
like
go.
that with the key.
Hey!
Yeah, check them out.
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. What?
Look at that.
That's
Check
where
the
you
box.
put your beverages.
Here we go. Look at this. So we are gonna. Where's the hardware? Oh, probably in there. Okay, so we're gonna get the hardware out. She's gonna connect to here, and that's gonna go to the side of the bed.
Right, ready?
Let me.
Ready? Bring your hair,
Oh, geez, he's gonna use it. Go ahead. Oh, I told you it works. He didn't believe in the knife I made. Those are the Gerber 1000 knives, just so you know. Homemade. There it is.
Pew, pew, pew.
Yep. Look at that.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
So we're gonna.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Oh shit! Crap. Knew that was coming. So we're gonna put this muffler exhaust hanger under the truck.
Ow.
And then probably mount this under there too.
All right, we're gonna look at Nate's because he thinks he's cool.
Where's the camera? So look at these right here. So if
Okay.
you pop these out, look at that. They swing and they lock in place and shut. They lock. That one locks in place and shuts. But anyways, what I wanted to show you, see how these are. No, it doesn't. It's dropped. I'm telling you.
I don't want it no more.
Yep. So see how those are. But we had to cut out this little spot here.
Okay.
To actually mount these. So we have to count. These were actually installed like this when I bought them from a friend that I said he had to put them in, and I never moved it up. All it has to do is move up and it'll lock. That one does lock in place. Yeah, and they are very handy.
Let's go. I don't want to cut nothing. I don't like cutting stuff.
You have a bolt to go off of. That's the issue with ours.
Right.
Mine was he just put them in wherever. Hold it, wait, what? No. Whoa, shit. We're going. Hold on.
Man, I'm so nervous.
Truck
right now.
storage box.
This is not gonna work well.
Oh yeah, you got it. There you go.
Thank you.
Hold on. Yep. Now we want to go from the side. Bring that over. Bring that bottom side over.
You got like wires or dikes? I can just snip
You
this
can't
right
say
at the
that
top.
anymore. Yeah. Here.
Get the ones out of my truck.
Oh, okay. Here you go.
Whoa, that's a scratch. You were cutting through this. That's why it wouldn't go.
I'll say something was there, so it stopped her off. Get down in there. There we go. Cool. You got some room. Just save that in case you need to glue that back in. Yep.
So now I need to trim this down to get flush with that. It's gonna be almost different, you know. I wonder if I should just cut it right here.
Get rid of it, and then get rid of that other piece.
Because it's got a mount there,
Yeah,
and then
go
just
ahead.
cut down there, and then we'll
Yeah.
just cut it. Because the light's right here,
Yep.
so.
You get it?
Woo! So yeah, it's supposed to go right there and right there.
Yeah, that'll work. Then just put that plastic back on. Back over it. See, you want to. Well, yeah, that one right there. Look at that. Factory.
You got any tape?
Factory. We got it. Man.
Alright, so we just cut that off, as you can see. Mark 2 pilot holes. Just screw that bracket in, and I'm still terrified. Here we go. We're gonna try to draw a little pilot hole here. She's moving.
Rolls can hardly.
That might be enough just to start it.
Oh, yeah. That'll be good.
Alright, here, just so you can see how much
Oh, hold on. We got blockage going on.
I'm going to cry.
Blockage. All right, here we go.
I see metal. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh!
It moved.
Grab a new one.
It's right here. It's moving. Well, maybe not. We're almost through. We're almost through. We're through. Here comes the next one.
Round 2.
Round 2. All right.
Trial run.
Trial run.
Here we go. See how she fits in there. Oh, look at that. It's like we knew what we were doing.
Not even close. It's not even close to that bracket. Maybe. I don't know.
Well, that bracket's pretty long, dude. Right here. Look how far that sticks out.
That's
I think
true.
you're fine.
That could be.
When that gets behind there, I think that'll snap in. I think
Yeah,
we're
I
good.
didn't think it was that long.
Yep.
That's what she said.
Yep. Yep. So when that goes, try that real quick. Put that up against there. See how far that sticks out. And then we have, yeah. that
See?
sticks. Yep. It's definitely going to work.
But I think it's got to go down here. Well,
Yep.
it does.
Oh,
there's
yeah. Yeah.
All right. We're going to install the other two now.
Install. You. Oh!
Pilot hole. Should have known better, huh?
Yeah.
She's not very antsy on going in there. I see metal.
There it goes. Oh, yeah. Remember that one time you ate that box of nerds out of that stripper's butthole?
Yep, that one's stripped. That one's not. That one's close. That one's fine.
There you go.
Okay, first bracket is on. Now we gotta line up second because I have bed liner. So I'm gonna hang this up here. I don't know if you can see anything, but
Yep. Oh, yeah. I think it might be good. Hold on, let's see. Look at that, swing that thing out.
sorry you can't see anything. Everything's right in the way.
That's gonna work right there. Look at,
Is it?
yeah, look down there. See that?
Okay. So this is a huge pain in the butt because I have a bed liner in. So Nate kind of got a little spot there. We're gonna try to get the bracket to go in to see if it'll bite on the metal behind the bed liner, and hopefully it'll pull the bracket in.
I think there was a song about that by Hardy.
Yeah, by Hardy. I don't know if it's gonna work. If it doesn't work, then we're gonna have to cut some of this bed liner out again. It's just gonna tear the spot to make a cut. But let's see what we can do. So far, so good. Top two took in, bottom one didn't. Just gotta give her a little, yeah, give her a little rip. What's terrifying is I'm pretty much watching
Ooh, that grabbed. That grabbed.
the other side. I'm sure, because this kit is for this truck, so I'm sure I don't have to worry about the screws going through the other side, but you never know. It's still terrifying to think about.
Oh, yeah. She grabbed.
She grabbed.
Look at all our markings line up too.
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah.
Oh, heck yeah.
Matt's relieved.
I'm relieved. There's no holes in the other side. And yeah, now I can keep my camping stuff in a box and not have to worry about it. It's a waterproof box of Vevor. It's right there on the side of the box. We'll finish up, get it installed, and show you what it looks like and close this one out. Well, after a little hiccup, get the rest of my stuff here. Extra screw wrench. You ready for this?
Boom.
Boom.
We did it.
Boom. The only problem was a little extra hole there.
But that's why you carry this. Anti-rust.
Anti-rust.
Fluid film.
A couple squirts of that. So here's the inside of it. Comes with this little tray that I'm gonna throw this stuff in. Actually, I'm gonna dump it in there and put the tray back.
Actually, I think, Matt, I'm going to charge you extra for this.
There you go.
Yeah, because we drilled holes in the side. Now I'm actually preventing any future rust by injecting this in the side of your truck bed.
Lock her up. Oh yeah. Oh, those are yours.
Look at that. Dump that in there.
What do you think, Matt? Huh? All right, you ready for this?
I dig it.
Move your washers.
Oh, sorry.
This is your washers.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Ready? You ready? Oh, like a glove.
Look at that. Get you some of that.
You
Oh,
spit on this?
You locked it.
I did lock it. So, the
Look at that.
Vevor,
Heck yeah.
whatever truck box. You don't really lose bed space.
We're
It's not gonna work.
put that back out
It's not
there.
gonna work. Here, give me it.
It's fine. There you go.
Hey, at least it's nice out today.
Well, now it's freaking hot.
Yeah,
Well, I can't complain. It's
the
cold.
humidity's gone.
Whatever. I'd rather take this over that.
Check that out. Oh, I like
Show your
it.
tailgate. Show them.
Well, you've still got all your crap up here.
Show them tailgate review here. Here you go. This in here. This. All right, try her out.
Here we go. Ready? Oh, not a problem at all. Hey, I need my power cord. I'll just get it out of my box here. All right, that's it. I'm tired. I'm going home.
Dirt Track Duel out.
We'll catch you on the next one.
Next one. Peace.
Here we start.
Get out of here.